Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to reconnect a Duo mobile account. So if your Duo account is no longer working or became disconnected after changing phones, then just follow along. First, open the website or service that uses Duo authentication. Then sign in using a backup authentication method if one is available. And go to your security or two-factor authentication settings and choose the option to reactivate or reconnect your Duo mobile device. Then a new QR code will be displayed and you need to open Duo mobile, tap add account and scan the QR code. And once connected, you can try logging in again to verify that push notifications and passcodes are working properly. And if you can't access your account, you can try contacting your organization's IT administration for assistance. So that was how to reconnect a Duo mobile account. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.